So showing we have 12 watts going in, 120. It came unplugged just a second ago. I had to kind of pause and restart. So it's working its way down actually right now because there's too much power going into it. I think it's finding its balance. And I had to use kind of almost every single LED. And I had to run them in series just to get the total usage. So with 11 constant going in, we have about 121 volts coming out. And it's probably a half an amp because of the LEDs. So no matter what, we're still at 50 watts, 60 watts, and we only got 11 watts going in. So this is kind of, I don't know, something. I just haven't kind of got the full explanation of what it is. But I'll get into that. And I'll keep posting.